Hey, nigga, what? What's going on, nigga? Oh, this is your boy, Forex Strategy Factory, man. I got you, I got you, I got your back, man, nigga. What I came to do today is just to come and clear your doubt and clear what's in your mindset, man. How much can you make in Forex? Can you even make money in Forex? Is it possible to make a dime in Forex? How to make money in Forex? Oh, yeah, man, nigga, what? A lot of people say Forex is a scam, Forex is shit, Forex isn't legit, Forex is crazy. Every Forex traders are bullshit, crazy, idiot, nigga, man. Oh my god. Nigga, let the shit keep rolling, man. It takes the strong people, man, to show a strong result. You got what I mean? Your heart gotta be strong to take a strong moves in life, man. I tell you, nigga. You gotta know a man when he drops some things to make a move to show a strong result. No matter how he fall, he's gonna rise, 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 man, nigga. What I've learned in my life is to learn how to stand because I know I may fall. So when I fall, I'm not scared to stand. Oh, nigga, what? What's this fucking nigga saying, man? Yeah. You ain't gonna make money in Forex if you don't have a strong mindset of money making machine. If you don't have a mindset of people who want to make money in Forex, then you will make no dime shit in Forex. You know the atrocities and shit you're going to go through the day you got started with Forex? How some of your friends will be the first set of people to run away from you, talk shit around you, behind you. Your friends ran away, you left with nothing because you're losing, 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 losing. I don't want to talk about those shit, but those are the sacrifices you need to make to be successful in Forex, though. There is no success without its own sacrifice. But sacrifice is what people don't want to pay. You ain't gonna pay no sacrifice because you got a faint heart. Your heart is faint. Success is not meant for the fainted heart people. You got what I'm saying, nigga? Nigga, bro. Nigga, shit. Yeah, we don't want this nonsense in front of my screen. Nigga, what? Nigga, shit. You know what? You know, those days when I got started with this Forex thing, I don't make no shit. Yeah, I don't make no shit. A lot of my friends, they look at me, they look down on me, they look me like I'm idiot. You know what I mean? Like I'm bullshit. That's what we taught to do. That's what we taught to do. We are never taught to be there for each other, to support each other. We are only taught to look down on each other, man. You know what I mean? That is why they look down on me, because I took a part to go through my own journey in life. Nigga, you got me shit. Nigga, what? How much can you make in Forex? Yeah, you can make money in Forex, as you can see what is in front of my screen here. But I said, what are the ways that you can make money in Forex? First, you need to go get a mindset of people who want to make money. People who want to make money are people who grab opportunity and they make the first step and the first moves in life, and fast moves. They see vision quickly and they follow their dreams. Can you detect your dream and start to follow it, man, without fear? Because fear is the only thing that will set hindrance in front of you and give you a weakened heart and a mindset that will never make you go forward in life. And you will see the other guy who took a step going forward and what is left of you. That fear will create jealous in your heart. I'm not preaching. I'm not a pastor. But I'm mixing something with Forex to open your own mindset if you got any vision. You gotta make money in Forex, but you don't wanna go learn Forex. You don't wanna go practice. You don't wanna listen to what people say. All you wanna do is you wanna do things as if you know it all. Mr. Knowledgeable. Mr. Know Everything. Mr. Challenger. Mr. Competition. Mr. Big strong head nigga. You wanna compete. You don't wanna learn, but you wanna set a competition. You wanna say, oh, I know that Forex. I know that Forex. If I come and guess, I know. My friend, will you keep your fucking mouth shut? You think Forex is a matter of guessing? When you tell people that you don't need to come and guess before you make money in that Forex, they will think you are talking blasphemy. You need to go work on your mindset before you start making money in Forex, my nigga shit. You got me? You got the hell, I'm talking to you now. You know, we that we've passed through the journey of hell of making money in Forex. When we see someone like you, we will tell you the truth. And that truth will make you fear, to get that fear of your heart, to make your heart strong before you ever make a move. Before I started Forex, if I got someone like me who sat down to advise me, oh, I would have done better for so long. Maybe I wouldn't have gone through the hell I went through, man. That is why sometimes I need a duplicate of myself somehow. A duplicate, a clone of myself. If I got a clone of myself, honestly, I would do better in things in life fast. If I get my clone. Because there's nobody's gonna be like me. If you want to make money in Forex and you say you want to go make that money in Forex, you need to get a personality that you will be unique and nobody will be like you. Then you build on that mindset that you're gonna be a different human. You train yourself, then you listen to what people say, people who knows it, what they say. You learn from them. And if you got to get a mentor, you follow them. And you got to go check properly if that's the right person to follow though. Yeah. But it takes a strong heart nigga to show a strong result, man. Yeah. Somebody say, how much can you make in Forex? With only two trades on, nigga. You see what I'm making? You see how a very small tiny lot left for days can just give you, this type of pips, man, nigga. How much can you make in Forex? It's not about how much can you make in Forex. Is your mind prepared to make money in Forex? oh my fucking nigga, man. See, it's real account. It's real account. It's real account. Yeah, I gotta put my Nigerian accent. I can't turn you. I put my Odua accent. So you gotta get me with my identity as a Nigerian, that I'm proud of myself, that I'm one of the people that can do things like this that make sense. You know, I talk to you, our Nigerian youth. What you doing? It doesn't take you stealing human pants before you make money in life. It doesn't take you to go cut your mama's head for money ritual before you make it in life. You will make it in life when you meet the right people who has made it, or who is making it without stealing woman pant, without cutting mama's head. Maybe later you'll be cutting your dick to go make money because they told you that is how to make money in life, and your brain isn't correct. You think that's it, that you are brainwashed. Don't worry. We are coming with something that will shock you. By the time we bring the real thing that will make you make money in your life, that time maybe you would have cut your head off to sacrifice for blood before you believe, because you believe that is how you're gonna make your money. By then you are gone, and the real thing to make money is here. Welcome to my lesson of can you really make money in Forex? Do you hear my voice behind the screen? You don't know that there's a spirit of money talking through me. Yeah, that is the spirit of money, nigga. The spirit of money, nigga. Hey, hey, go show them you can make $200 in Forex. Go show them how to make $200 in Forex. Go show them that we coming for them. Those that look down on us when we were suffering. Those who were supposed to stand to help us when we were suffering and they weren't doing no help. They ran away. Go tell them we're coming. Yeah, nigga, man. Yeah, nigga, man. Oh, this is how to make money in Forex, nigga. You don't know how to make money in Forex? Go build your mindset to the mindset of money makers, bro. This is Forex Strategy Factory. Signing out.